Bob, now that the Federal Reserve has officially raised interest rates, what does that mean for the real estate market going forward?
Well, Jason, that's an interesting question. After several years of the Fed and Wall Street and economists speculating, guessing, hoping, praying that it did or didn't raise interest rates, the Fed has finally raised the interest rate a quarter of a point. And guess what happened with the stock market? It went up, which means the stock market was welcoming that change and or had factored it in. And I think the same thing may uh, be a parallel argument with the a home buyer getting a mortgage. It's probably been factored in already that inevitably the interest rates are going to tick up just a touch. I think the effect may be a little more psychological in that people may say, gee, maybe I should get into the market now because interest rates have finally started, even slowly, heading on the way up. There might not be a big rush to get into the market, but I think in the back of people's minds, people who have been procrastinating making an investment in either a condo, a co-op, or a home are probably saying now, okay, it's finally come true. I will probably be paying a little higher mortgage, and I should probably start seriously trying to get into the real estate market. I don't think financially it'll have that much of an impact. A quarter of a point is not going to filter out to be a heck of a lot of more money every month in a monthly payment. Certainly, it's going to be a few dollars, and no one likes to have to pay more money unnecessarily. But in the scheme of things, quarter point is not going to be a heck of a lot of more money in your monthly mortgage payment. And don't forget, we also need qualified buyers. Uh, the market after the 2007 to 2010, 11, 12 period is now requiring that borrowers be qualified. I mean, that sounds like a silly term, but you do have to have good credit scores and good income in order to qualify, for mortgages. So you still need to be a qualified buyer, qualified borrower, in order to buy a home. But I think this may give a little incentive to buyers. Hey, I better get off the sidelines, better get into the market. Yes, there's a few dollars more. I may have waited a touch too long, but I think this is my wake-up call that I should jump into the market. So I think overall, the raise in the interest rate of a quarter point really may not have that much of a dramatic effect on the house market or the borrower, or the borrower who's trying to borrow money to buy that home.